Welcome guys! Today we're going to dive into the world of email security. Email is still the most popular gateway for hackers and scammers. Attackers are constantly trying to trick victims into clicking on a malicious link, opening a dangerous attachment, or sharing sensitive information. It's important to be careful with email to protect your information and your computer. Always be suspicious when you're asked to take action in an email. That could mean clicking on a link or opening an attachment. Never enter personal information on a form you have accessed through a link in an email. Don't trust emails from senders you don't know. In these cases, avoid opening any attached documents and do not click on any links. If you move your mouse over the link, you will see the original destination of the link in the bottom left corner. If the link does not look secure, do not click on it. To make things a little more difficult, you also need to be aware of your known contacts. They could be infected, or someone could pretend to be one of them. Even mails from familiar senders can be dangerous, so be aware if these communications start to seem strange. To our luck, a lot of phishing emails are not very well designed. You will see some suspicious formatting or pictures that are too big or not sharp. But I think with the use of AI, hackers will be able to create perfect mails in the future. In conclusion, securing your email is critical in today's digital world. By following these simple guidelines, you can reduce your risk of falling victim to email-related cyber threats. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more security tips, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date. Your email security is important, and together we can outsmart the hackers.